Sis, let's talk about making your own money online in 2025. Not just any money, but impact driven, purpose aligned income that builds wealth while changing lives. You see, we are in a new era where digital opportunities are limitless, and women like you can step into your power and make money and create lasting impact. Whether you are a stay at home mom or a professional tired of your 9 to 5, or a woman craving financial independence, this video is your roadmap. Ready? Let's dive into it. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are interested in money making ideas and finding yourself, embracing your femininity, and also making more money online opportunities. Before I share the wealth niches that will help you create purpose driven income, let's answer this. Why now? Why is 2025 the perfect time for women like you to step into online world? The digital economy is expanding. By 2025, the global digital economy will be worth over $10 trillion, from coaching to e-learning to digital products. Women are changing the wealth game. More women than ever are building businesses online, using their skills, passion, experiences to create wealth. And sis, you have what it takes. Whether you are starting from scratch or pivoting to something new, you bring something valuable to the table. Guess what? Your story, your expertise, your vision, that is where the magic starts. Sis, you are already enough to start creating online income and wealth. Believe me when I say it so, because there are a lot of women working from home, smiling in their digital setup, and they are making good money on a daily basis. And this can be your story. Now, here are top 5 impact driven wealth niches in 2025. Now, let's get into the good stuff. The top 5 online niches for impact driven women like you in 2025. These are not only profitable but allows you to make a real difference in people's life. One is online coaching and consulting. See, if you have overcome a challenge, built a skill, or gained expertise, you can turn that into a coaching or consulting business. Example, like life coaching for women in transitions, career coaching for job seekers, and you can also create wellness coaching for busy moms. And I bet you there are a lot of women looking for solution in this very area. You can create digital products, you can create digital packages, host Zoom calls, and offer life-changing mentorship. Here is a lady just like you who is doing this on the comfort of her home, making $5,000 monthly, coaching women on self-care and balance. The second, which is digital product. Think ebook, template, courses, or workshop. This product takes your knowledge, put it into a simple format, and sell while you sleep if you know how to do it. Like, for example, meal preparation for busy professionals, ebook on how to write resume that lands interview, or you create how to manage social media like a pro, or you even create a course on all these things I've listed. You can package it into a digital product and sell it globally. Digital products are scalable. Sis, one product will earn you endless income opportunities. Another opportunity niche is content creation and branding. You have a voice, sis. Use it to build a brand online. Whether you start a YouTube channel or podcast or an Instagram page, content creation helps you share your wisdom, attract an audience, and monetize them. You can earn through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing. You can also earn by selling your own services and products, just like I mentioned, these ebooks and courses that you will get to produce. And sis, there are a lot of women cashing out in this area, making $3,000 sharing motherhood tips on Instagram. Number 4 niche you can try out is impact driven e-learning platform. This is where teaching online in 2025. Women are striving by creating impact driven e-learning platforms where you can learn something like soft skill, like leadership or time management, or you can learn technical skills like coding or graphic design. And also you can also learn personal development topics like confidence building or healing. And I bet you when you go to Udemy, Teachable, Thinkific, you will find out that a lot of courses, creators who already scale their product there and people are buying from them. The fifth niche you can try out is community membership. Lastly, sis, we have paid membership. I have paid for it, where women join private community for resources, mentorship, and networking. You can charge a small amount monthly fee to create a space where people come and learn, grow, and feel seen, and also people will get to learn from your bank of knowledge. A membership for women starting out businesses, that can be an example, or a group of women balancing career and family. You don't have to have huge audience to start. You need to just have that heart for impact. That is even a way to get started. Now I'm going to share with you how to get started. I'm going to share with you simple step on how to get into this now, because I want you to start making your money in 2025. Now, you are probably wondering, how do I get started? Here is your simple step-by-step guide on how to do it. First is choose a niche. Pick what you are passionate about, where you can add most value. There are a lot of misconception on this, on picking your niche. People will tell you you are the niche. People will say focus on one topic. But here is what I have to say. In picking your niche, you just have to pick a specific niche, either on health. When you're a person who loves health stocks, or you are in that niche of health, you create content that is related to health, and you can also talk about subtopic under health. Not like you are in health and you're talking about cryptocurrency. You can also infuse your life in your content, things that you love that is still related to that niche, especially in a way to empower people, in a way to inspire people, in a way to educate people. Not like you will just keep talking about health, but you can talk about relating topics, subtopic under health, and other topics that can help people to feel you and also get to know that you're human as well. That is also my thing. There are also more things to say about this, but I will share that in my next video. Two, identify your audience. Who are you helping? What are their problems? What solution can you provide? You need to understand that. And in this case, I have a way to help you get this. In my own way, this is my own definition or clarity on how to identify your audience. We have two levels of audience. We have level one, those who will consume your done for you services, and those who will pay to learn from you. So you are going to be clear on those who will pay to get the done for you service. These are people who are not interested in learning what you have. They want you to do it for them. And in those kind of person, they can as well go for done with you, where you work hand in hand with them to get it done in a coaching session. Then there are people who will come to learn, possibly those who want to learn it so that they can start offering that as a service or get to make money just the way you are doing right now. So you will have students who want to be an expert in that same field you are currently. So you should know which one you're going to start with. And if you ask me the one you should start with, my suggestion is to start with those who you are going to offer it as a done for you service. And then you can now start teaching people how to do it better. Then the third step you need to take in order to get started is to pick a platform. Start small, like Instagram, YouTube, or even on LinkedIn. Focus on one to build traction, or even on TikTok. Then the fourth part is create value impact offer, whether it's coaching, digital product, or membership. Start with what feels easy and natural to you. Then the next step, market consistently. You have to show up, share your knowledge, let people know how you can help them. And remember, consistency builds trust. Sis, this is your time. Don't let doubt hold you back. Start messy, start now, start wherever you are. Trust me, you will get better in the journey. You deserve financial independence, and a business that aligns with your purpose is something I believe you want to get into in 2025. Sis, the online world in 2025 is your playground, sis, full of opportunities waiting for you to claim them. So here is your challenge. Take one action step today and then drop on the comment below telling me which wealth niche excites you the most, and let's help you get started in your journey. If you find this video helpful, give me a thumb up and share this with a sister who needs to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and ideas on creating wealth, impact, freedom online, and also ideas on how to embrace your feminine energy. Sis, this world is waiting for your gift. Go and shine. See you in my next video on how to create more impact building wealth. For now.